What you gonna do? Don't fuck up. He fucked up.
And we are at Highmark Stadium in upstate New York. Today, we're set for a good AFC matchup between the Baltimore Ravens and the Buffalo Bills. And we are underway in Buffalo. And that one will bounce out of the back of the end zone, so we will start here at the 25. They'll start on the ground here on first down. And they're able to get this one across the 35.
Hey, get out that defense, nigga.
Just like that, it's a gain of 12 and a first down on their first play. Another run here with Dobbins. And he'll be taken down, but not before he works.
Get out that defense, little nigga.
That's good for a Raven first down, 15 yards there. That O-line, they cleared a big hole there on that run.
The athleticism of offensive lines continues to evolve, and we're seeing it here. Not only are they controlling things right at the line of scrimmage, but they're able to get upfield to get to what we call the second and the third levels. You know, get to the linebacker spot, the secondary spot, getting all the way downfield with their blocking, which helps keep the running back clean.
They'll try to continue that trend here this afternoon. So here's a 1st and 10 at the 38. A give up the middle to Dobbins. And this will leave him a yard short. Nice pickup of 9 yards on first down. The success there, Charles, coming on the outside of the field, the ground game. Curious to see if that continues as we progress.
Yeah, we often talk about a variety in play calling and usually between run and pass. But in this case, with strictly the run game, you can be creative there as well. Run it inside, run it outside, keep the defense off balance.
Jackson finding his tight end Andrews for the Ravens first down. From the red zone now, they'll look to throw. Yet again, targeting and finding Mark Andrews. And the Ravens are going to be set up with a 1st and goal coming up as they get him down at the 6-yard line. They'll run here with Edwards. Down at the 2. Broke through the first contact, but ultimately stopped short of the goal line. Again, it'll be Edwards. Able to get a couple here, but won't get across the plane as they stop it right around the one. Looking to cash in on this opening drive. Here's 3rd and goal. They'll look to run with Edwards. Boy, no chance as he was met and dropped behind the line there. A loss of a yard, and it brings up 4th.
With his size, he's a tough man to bring down, but they do a nice job there stopping his progress and not allowing him to get back to the line of scrimmage.
They're going for it with Dobbins. And he's not going to get in. They stop him at the 1. The run is turned away on 4th and goal from the 2. And on the opening drive of the ball game, the defense comes up with a goal line stand. Singletary to get the drive started. And now where are they going to mark him here? Well, they say he did get back to the 1-yard line, but that could have easily been 2 points the other way. Right back to Singletary on 2nd down. And he'll get this only up to about the 3-yard line. Now a timeout called for by the defense. They'll have 2 remaining as we step aside here in this first quarter. Facing the prospect of a punt from their own end zone, they need some cushion. Let's see what they can do on 3rd down. They go right back to Singletary. Oh, he put it on the carpet, a fumble. And it's picked up by the Ravens. And that will set him up in excellent shape.
Let's fucking go.
First and goal
sure started out as a good example of what they call backed up or coming out on offense, meaning you're backed up close to your own goal line. Big-time emphasis on practicing that to try and create some room at no less to give the punter a chance to kick the ball away. It means take care of the ball, try and create some space. They were doing that, and the ball comes free.
And he is into the
My
end
Florida
zone
boy.
for a Baltimore touchdown. Lamar Jackson taking it in from 4 yards out. And the Ravens have taken the early lead on the road here in Buffalo. And this defense, so many things to worry about in the red zone area, but you'd have to almost think that Lamar Jackson running the football, that might be number one.
It should be number one, and in this portion of the field where things shrink a little bit because the receivers can't run past anyone because they'll run out of real estate, you should have all eyes on Lamar Jackson when the ball is snapped and try and keep him back in the pocket.
Yeah, I don't think that they were surprised he was running it there. They just couldn't stop it, and he ends up in the end zone. Here's Tucker now out to kick this one away. From the 10. And he won't quite make it to the 25. Buffalo offense ready to go for their next drive. They had the fumble on the last drive, wound up leading to the opening touchdown. Now they'll try again here, 1st and 10. And he's brought down, getting this one up to about the 35. A gain of 11 to kick off the drive, and it's a quick 1st down. Here's Allen to throw it. And he'll be hit as he releases it, and that'll fall incomplete.
Partner, what we're seeing so far is the defense is certainly coordinated. Both levels doing their jobs in tandem. The back helping the front helping the back. The pressure got home on that last play and forced him to try and throw through contact and short of the sticks.
There he goes, right side. And all the way home for a Bills touchdown. Dawson Knox, 65 yards. And the Bills are within an extra point of tying up this ball game. An extra point by Bass, up and good. And we are tied at 7. So all even at 7 now as they kick it away. And that one will bounce out of the back of the end zone, so we will start here at the 25. The Raven offense set at the line for this next drive. As the offense begins another drive here, pretty simple, Charles. They want to carbon copy what happened the last time out when they ended their drive in the end zone.
You're right about that, partner. Sounds pretty simple, doesn't it? Just score again, but we know it's not that simple because we don't just make adjustments at halftime if you're a good football team. You spend that time on the sideline, you study what's on the notes and the tablets, and you make those adjustments to prevent a repeat of the last drive. Series to series, the best teams, that's how they get it done.
And we'll find out here soon enough whether those adjustments are enough defensively. Looking to throw again on 2nd down. Jackson will be caught by the big tight end Andrews. And he's got a 1st down as the tackle made at the Bills' 45-yard line. They'll go option to the short side. Past the 20. A big-time gain there on the keeper, using his legs to hurt him. 1st down. They'll run with Dobbins. And they'll bring him down after just a short pickup. 2 of their 3 red zone trips so far they've come up empty on. They'll look to reverse that trend on 2nd and goal. Dobbins once more. And he will take it in for a Ravens touchdown. J.K. Dobbins. It's a 1-yard touchdown run. And the Ravens have taken the lead. John Harbaugh thought about it, and now his guys are going to go for the 2-point conversion. Jackson here is going to look to throw. And he'll get into the end zone. That gives his guys an 8-point lead. He hits the big target for the 2-point try. Defenses hate those guys, especially around the goal line.
It's hard to decide who you're going to put on him. Are you going to put a smaller corner on him? Are you going to put a safety who doesn't have maybe the same coverage skills? How about a linebacker? He may have the size, but he's not used to really covering in space. That's why the tight end gives you such a great advantage when you're throwing the football.
Tucker now to kick it away following the touchdown. This is taken just shy of the 10. And some good special teams coverage as they bring him down just outside of the 15. The Bills come to the line to start their next drive. The offense coming back out here. Plenty of energy, ready to roll, looking to just add to what they have been doing after scoring a touchdown, Charles, their last time out.
And that's a great feeling to have on the sideline, partner, knowing you just won the battle against the opposing defense. And since they came off the field, I'll guarantee you all they want to do is get back out there because they know they have the upper hand on that defense right now.
He's got a man complete. And he'll be taken down, but not before they work it across midfield. On first down, Allen. And he's got this down a yard or two shy of the 40 before he's out of bounds. He'll get 5 out of the scramble. It's second down. Allen now looks to throw. Setting up the screen for Cook. And he gets this down inside the 35 before going out of bounds. That one a first down pickup of 8. From the gun, it's Allen. They will find Davis. That's complete. And he's going to be brought down at about the 16. So the ball down to the 16 here for first and 10. From the red zone now, they'll look to throw. And he can't get rid of it. He's taken down. So after the sack, a scenario you certainly don't work on too often. Second and 24. Allen. Into a sea of
Stupid.
defenders and intercepted.
Hey, bro, you could just quit, bro.
Kyle Hamilton picks it, and the Ravens are going to take possession
You
here.
just quit, bro.
At their own 33.
Well, timing is everything on a route like this. He tried to drive that football into a tight spot. And if you're a little early or a little late, chances are there's going to be someone there. And sure enough, this one's going the other way.
The Raven offense set at the line for this next drive. He's got his man. It's Andrews. The Ravens going to use the second of their timeouts as the clock will stop with 18 seconds to go in the first half. Throwing now, Jackson on first down. And that will be incomplete with the clock down now to 13 seconds.
We know it's not an easy job to go and catch passes where people are trying to tackle you and knock the ball away. But the bottom line is, that's a pass he's got to have and a pass he should have caught.
He'll dump this off complete to Dobbins. And he gets this to the other side of midfield across the 45 before going out. 12 yards the pickup there. Good for a Raven first.
Good strong throw and catch right there. And so far in this game, the alleys have been open for them to get completions, and they're taking advantage of it.
They're going to get about 3 here out of this first down run, and that'll bring up second and 7. Now whistles and a timeout with 3 seconds left in the first half. And now a timeout defensively after that first down play. So they're going to make this offense sweat out half number 1. So 3 seconds here remain in the half on as the field goal unit to see about getting 3 points. So this will be spotted on the midfield logo. It's a 58-yard attempt. And I tell you what, he got it from 58. That had lots of leg behind it. So we've hit intermission. It's halftime. This is the NFL, and it's a presentation of EA Sports. And we welcome you back live now inside the booth alongside Charles Davis. I'm Brandon Gaudin, set and ready to rock for the third quarter. The Bills trail here, but they will get the football first as we are back underway on EA Sports. This one taken just inside the 10. And he's up across the 25 and down at the 28. Buffalo offense ready to go for their next drive. This offense, Charles, had a strong first half throwing the football, at least in terms of yardage, but that hasn't translated so far on the scoreboard as they begin the third quarter here, trailing and looking for a little momentum.
Yeah, you're right about that because, let's face it, in the first half, most of their focus was in the passing game. And to their credit, resulted in a healthy amount of yardage. So I would think that at halftime, they're going to anticipate that defense loosening up a little bit to try and cover the passing lanes. They've got to get the running game going, and there should be some gaps to run through now.
They'll run on first down with Singletary. And he is met quickly in the backfield. Down he goes, folded like a lawn chair. Officially, it's a 1-yard loss. That's going to bring up second and 11. To throw, it's Allen. And that'll be off the mark, too far out in front, and it's incomplete.
The goal is certainly to try and make a big play happen and climb back into this game, but you have to be careful. If you overdo it, you could turn it over and hurt your team.
This offense in desperate need of a conversion as they come up on third down. Throwing now is Allen. That's into a crowd and intercepted.
Bro, can you quit, bro?
It's Chuck Clark picking it off. And the Ravens are going to have great field position here as this is returned just shy of midfield.
Well, I certainly think that we're seeing a big reason why this team has struggled to put points on the board so far because too many of their drives have ended in turnovers already, and we still have almost a full half of football yet to play.
And just 1 yard here from the 49 to the 50. The run only got a yard. Here's second and 9. From midfield now, here's Jackson. And looking for Andrews, but this is intercepted. Picked up by Tremaine Edmonds, the linebacker. 20! And the Bills are going to take possession of the football. So a potential momentum shifter there, working with a 2-score lead, third quarter, but that, not the smartest of throws.
I would agree with you on that one because this game is still very much in the balance. It felt pretty one-sided to this point, but now, if these guys can turn this turnover into points, things could start getting a little more interesting.
They'll run with Cook. And nothing doing. He's immediately taken down at the line of scrimmage. They've been in the red zone 3 times in this game and have not scored a single point. Can they break through here on second and goal? Here's Allen. This is caught. Touchdown, Bills. Allen on target there to Stephon Diggs. And the Bills take the interception on defense and convert it into 6 points. And now Sean McDermott's made the call. They'll go for 2. Allen will try to throw for it. To the goal line, but it's incomplete. Should have been picked. Probably doesn't matter on a 2-point conversion, but still, as a former DB, you want to grab that ball when you can, don't you?
You certainly do, and don't say it, because I know you're thinking it. Don't say it.
What am I thinking?
You know what I know what you're thinking. Well, if he'd had hands, he'd be playing on offense.
Yeah, that's true. You've said that before. And that one will bounce out of the back of the end zone, so we will start here at the 25. The Raven offense set at the line for this next drive. And we'll see if they can bounce back from that last drive. In particular, if they can bounce back at the quarterback position, Charles, after throwing their first interception of the ballgame.
Yeah, some guys, they're going to want to try and get a big play right away and take control back of others, they're going to look to hit a couple shorter passes, get a little momentum back that way.
But for the defense, that goal's not changing a bit. They want another pick.
You're exactly right about that. In fact, you got to watch them a little bit because in coverage, they may cut down their gaps a little bit, maybe their splits a little bit in order to try and get to the ball even faster.
Right back to Dobbins on first. 78 yards for him on the ground now as he has been terrific here this afternoon.
Well, you certainly have to give a little credit here because they're playing this game now at their pace. This is ball control football, sustained runs, taking their time and making it work.
And now here's a deep shot that's complete. And he's going to get this down to the 35-yard line. That one a gain of 20 and a first down. On the option, Jackson will keep it. And this play will be blown up. He'll lose yardage back at the 38. After the loss, they'll come up second and 13. Now it's Jackson. Oh, hit as he throws there, incomplete.
I see the surprise in your face there, partner. That is a rare incompletion from him. He's been on point this entire game.
He has percentage completion-wise way up, not that time. Now on third and long, they'll look to throw. And looking for Andrews, but this is intercepted. Tre'Davious White with a pick. So this offense moving the ball well, trying to open up a two-score lead here in the third quarter. But now potentially a play that could have big ramifications.
Yeah, you've driven the ball down the field. Things are looking up, but it takes just one bad decision to throw things off the rails.
The Bills come to the line to start their next drive. The offense running out, and they are charged up, ready to go after reaching the end zone on their last drive.
Normally, I'd warn against getting complacent just because they scored the last time out. But I don't think there's any worries with this group right now. This is a hungry group, and they want to keep building off of their last drive. Now they just want the officials to hurry up and place the ball so they can snap it and get back to work.
3 quarters in the books. You are watching the NFL on EA Sports. Second down and 4. Allen forced out to his left. He's got the hook up with Diggs. And he's going to get this all the way down inside the 35. So the big play changes the complexion of things. Here's first and 10 just outside the 30. Give to Cook out of the gun. And he'll get what he can up the middle, 3 yards. That'll bring up second down. The last run got 3. Now here's second and 7. So the shotgun snap to Allen. He's got his target. It's the tight end Knox. And he will reach the 8-yard line before going out. Only way to get the lead here, of course, with a touchdown. And that's what they're gunning for on first and goal. They run here with Singletary. And he's going to be met at the line of scrimmage and taken down. No gain on the play that time, and it sets up second and goal. Well done to sniff that out defensively. He had it diagnosed pretty quickly.
I love that description because diagnosed is perfect on that one. Read his keys, made the play, and he couldn't even get going moving the football.
Well, they'll run it here on the jet sweep. And he fights his way into the end zone for a Bills touchdown. Isaiah McKenzie, an 8-yard touchdown run. All right, now a big 2-point conversion attempt still to come. They're going to try and run. And he will not get there. He comes up short. And they're unable to push this lead to a field goal as it'll remain a one-point game. After the touchdown, Bass to kick it away. And that one will bounce out of the back of the end zone, so we will start here at the 25. The Raven offense set at the line for this next drive. The pressure is on now. They're being shut out here in the second half after a decent first half offensively. They need their best drive of the game right here. And now a throw on first down there, but it's incomplete. An incomplete pass leads to 2nd and 10 from the 25. Jackson going to give this one to Edwards. Looking for a seam, but finding none. He'll get back to the line of scrimmage, and that's it. Calling no gain on the run there, and now they'll be looking at a 3rd down. Possibly a turning point. Big play coming. This is 3rd and long. Jackson now. Now he'll let it go deep right side. He's got a man complete. And they'll get this well past midfield before being stopped just before the 35. On 3rd and 10, they go flying past the marker and get nearly 40 yards. On 1st and 10, it's Dobbins. And some space here. And he's brought down, but not before
Let's go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Michael Lockley voice.
On a 1st and goal with this game still hanging in the balance. And the question now, how do they want to work the clock here on 1st and goal? A field goal would give them the late lead. They'll go again with Dobbins. And he'll take it into the end zone for a Ravens touchdown. J.K. Dobbins with his 2nd touchdown of the afternoon. And the Ravens answer back with a touchdown of their own to take a 4th quarter lead. Throwing now is Jackson. And he's got it.
Let's go.
Is good, and they add on to their 4th quarter lead.
Great football IQ.
Tucker now to kick it away following the touchdown. From the 10. And they will wrangle him down a couple yards shy of the 30. Buffalo offense ready to go for their next drive. A long drive last time out for this offense, Charles. If you remember, they started basically in the shadows of their own end zone, marched it down the field, and a lot of that was through the passing game.
And partner, as a former defensive back, I'm having almost a physical reaction watching what's happening right now. But let's give credit where it's due, because they've done an excellent job moving the ball through the air. Secondary getting picked apart pass by pass. Obviously, they need to make some adjustments there on the back end.
Yeah, because offensively, we know that they're not going to be shy about throwing that football. Allen. The quick throw knocked away. It's incomplete. Couple extra defensive backs out there in the dime, and because of that, really not many places to throw the football, if any.
And typically, what would you want to do against that dime?
Run the football.
You want to run the ball, but you can't do it in this situation. Not nearly enough time on the clock. You having to really navigate against a tough defense presented against you.
Now a deep ball there on 2nd down, but it'll wind up incomplete.
Back-to-back incompletions, but we know this is definitely 4-down territory. Time not on their side. I don't think they want to try and get the 1st down in 2 installments. I think they got to go and get it right here, right now.
He's got it complete to Diggs, right side.
Uh-oh. One more play and it's over. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Don't fuck up. He fucked up.
Another target for Stephon Diggs, and he brings it in. And all the way home for a Bills
That's straight. You gave me a minute to score. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. And we got 3 timeouts. Yes, sir.
Extra point away from tying this game here in the final minutes. Don't forget the extra point. It's up and good. And we are tied here in the 4th quarter. So here comes the kickoff now. All even here in this 4th quarter. And that one will bounce out of the back of the end zone, so we will start here at the 25. The Raven offense set at the line for this next drive. Well, partner, here it is. They've got the chance to win the game. You'd have to think they need to get it near the opposite 40 to have a chance.
Let's go. We just got to get past that 50. Field goal, shotty. Field goal, shotty. We just got to get past that 50.
What is he feeling? What does he think? Where does he want the football? What's the yard line we have to get? And he's already relayed that to his quarterback and his offense. They know what the goal is. Now the key, can they get there?
Jackson.
We run that shit real quick. We just need this field goal. We just need this field goal right here. We just need this field goal. Got him. Got him. Wow, they hold me, bro.
He's taken down. The Ravens going to use the second of their timeouts. That's start the clock with 12 seconds to go in the football game. Now after that sack, it's 3rd and long for Jackson and the Ravens. Now the defense going to use the first of their timeouts. That'll leave them with 2 remaining. We'll be back after this. And it looks like we've got a dime set here defensively. 6 DBs in the game. Throwing, Jackson. Connecting with
Let's get money. Let's get money.
Past the 45. Able to convert on 3rd and 14. A terrific play call. 2 first downs have them up near midfield now on 1st and 10. Jackson on the give to Dobbins. And he gets forward up the middle, but only for a couple. It'll be 2nd down. And a timeout comes
67-yarder.
Whistles blow with 3 seconds
67-yarder to win.
Well, any lane that might have been open there was closed pretty quickly, and that was because the defense in front, they won that battle at the point of attack at the line of scrimmage. They used great leverage, helped their spot, and stacked him up.
I know I'm going to make it, babe.
So it's up now to one of the most accurate kickers in NFL history, Justin Tucker. This from long, very long range.
That's money. They better not rob me. What the fuck?
This kick is not going to be close. It's well short, well right to boot. And a costly one there as this game remains tied here in the 4th.
They robbed that shit. I want to kick like that. Oh yeah, no. I won the toss. Let's go. I receive. I'm about to do that. Let's go. Man, that whole ass shit. That's crazy.
So it's the Ravens who won the toss. They'll get the football first here.
No, for real though. You're right. That what I'm trying to do is that.
And that one will bounce out of the back of the end zone, so we will start here at the 25.
All right.
The Raven offense set at the line for this next drive. Well, they fought hard to reach this point, Charles, and now what an opportunity. They've got the ball first.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
And you know, as a
Come on, bro. Let's do it, man.
first thing he's telling his team is remember.
Yeah, no rush. Let's go.
Not 3, so we don't need a good drive. We need a great drive, and this is what they've been planning for. It's time to execute and take it downfield, even against all these odds.
Another run here with Dobbins.
We'll take 4. Oh, that's 3. That's 3. We'll take those 3.
Look, all any running back wants is a little bit of room, a little bit of space in order to maneuver. But he also understands how difficult it is for his offensive line up front. So if they give him any space, he realizes his job to make more out of it than what they give him.
Oh, that was a big tackle.
4 yards there on the keeper, but still going to bring up a third down. So he is able to turn that into positive yardage, but I think it's fair to say that those are not the shots you're wanting your quarterback to have to absorb.
And he has to know sometimes when to say when. You have to know when to give yourself up, and let's face it, not easy for these guys
What do you give us?
because they're competitive.
What do you give us?
But sometimes you do learn your lesson the hard way, as he did.
Hey, bro, you might want to stop burning every time the timeouts, bro.
That one first down,
Just so you know.
Charles, you get into these
Just a little
overtime
heads up.
situations, it's not a bad guy to dial into.
Well, when you have to have plays, especially in a spot as you just described, we're in OT, you've got to go to the guys you can trust and you know are going to make the plays. What they say, it's not the X's and the O's, it's the Jimmies and the Joes.
Excuse.
A give up the middle to Dobbins. And he'll work down inside the 40.
Keep that clock running, man. Keep that clock
That's a
running.
good play by the guys on the defensive
all I
side
want.
of the ball. Held him to a gain of 2. And that changes the playbook a little bit now for the guy calling plays. 2nd and 8. Now he's got to probably think about going to the air instead of maybe staying with the ground game.
On 2nd down, it's Edwards.
Out my way.
And he'll be
Let's go.
close
Let's
to
go.
the
Clock
first
running. 2
down as
minutes.
the tackle made at the Bills'
2 minutes
37.
on it.
What a luxury to have a guy like this who can not only spell your starter, but can come in and keep
Oh, I'm tripping, bro. It's overtime. There ain't no 2-minute warning. I said that shit earlier.
Hoping to keep this OT drive alive. Now they face a
Yeah,
third
yeah,
down.
yeah.
Here's Jackson. He'll swing this out to Jones. It's a 7-yard gain and good enough to move the chains. Scrimmage the 31 now on 1st and 10. Up the middle, it's Edwards. And he'll be taken
Oh, my
inside
God.
the red zone.
It's close to right here.
9 yards is the pickup there, and they'll have a 2nd and 1. And I know you, with every carry, especially in overtime, you're just saying, if you're that ball carrier, hold on to the football.
Hold on to it, protect it, but not necessarily settle it. Because you're trying to get to the end zone, you're trying to end the game.
Everybody tell them
right
boys good
here.
game.
Defensive guys,
Everybody tell the Bills good game.
trying to knock the ball free and protect their end zone.
Like you alluded to, especially this part of the field. Now a timeout called for by the offense. They'll be down to just 1 remaining as we step aside here in overtime.
Chilling, bro.
Here comes a big one now in overtime. This is 3rd and inches. Now Jackson.
Nope.
And this
Whoa.
is going to be incomplete.
His back has been a dependable safety
Whoa.
all game, so he went back to him when his first read was covered. Just unable to connect, so the play results in no gain.
So now one of the biggest kicks of the night is forthcoming. This to at least get them a lead here in overtime. Now the Bills will take another timeout. So as they head to the sidelines, we'll head to this break on EA Sports. They'll try and run for it.
Oh, let's get money.
And he gets this
First down.
to the 18,
Come on, come on,
good
come on,
enough
come
for
on.
a first down.
Come on, come on, come on.
4th down run successful. Now they look to pay it off on 1st down. Jackson.
Got him. He lost. He's lost.
Dobbins out of the
He's lost.
field. And he'll be out of bounds about half to a full yard shy of the 5. A solid pickup of 12 yards, and now they're knocking on the door. Shaping up to be a very efficient opening drive here in overtime.
And can you feel the tension building? Because I'm feeling it. All right, I've got the sweaty palms here with each play because of the enormity of what's going on. Each play means so much in overtime, and they're handling it well as this drive continues.
Now the timeout comes here in the waning seconds of this overtime as we could be set up at long last for a potential game winner. So the field goal unit is on the field as this is a big spot right here. And a timeout now here in overtime with 4 seconds remaining. So Jackson will head to the Ravens sideline, and on comes Justin Tucker for the field goal try. This to at least get him a lead here in overtime. Tucker's kick is good, and they have regained the lead. So they do get the short field goal here to get them the all-important overtime lead. But, Charles, you wonder if they'll wind up ruining the fact that they were able to get down into the red zone, yet not able to find the touchdown that would have won them the game.
Brandon, you're absolutely right. You get the ball first, your opponent's able to see the football. And now you're going to try and win it.
Adios. Which way are we going?
And I'm getting a dictionary.
Which way are we going? Oh, my God.
And able to take it past the 25 and up to the 28-yard line. The Bills come to the line to start their next drive. This drive here beginning probably with a pair of motivated groups. Remember, the offense scored a touchdown on their last time out. Looking to repeat that, Charles' defense. They were very frustrated after giving up 6 the last time on the field.
And frankly, it's just a battle of wills in a lot of ways because you know they're both motivated. They both game plan for this drive, and they both have specific outcomes in mind. To me, it just comes down to who can execute better and which side can step up and assert its will over the other.
Looking to throw on second down. Allen. And that is caught. It's Davis. And he's going to be taken down with the first down at the Ravens' 27-yard line. Last play, they got stumped at the line. Different story here, over 20 yards. He's padding his already great numbers here in overtime. More importantly, though, moving his guys downfield.
And I think that's exactly what's going through his head right now. Moving them downfield, putting them in a position to win the game. The stats, that's for the fantasy guys. I know they're enjoying that show.
And he went backwards. He'll be down at the 30. So their task a little bit more difficult now. 2nd and 13 that they're walking up on. And he'll be out of bounds just inside the 25-yard line. Give him 7 there on the tuck and run, and they're in better shape now for 3rd.
It is certainly becoming rarer by the year to see your franchise guy take a hit like that. The defender couldn't believe he had a shot to light him up. So when you take off and run, you have to make sure you can slide, get out of bounds, anything. Just don't leave yourself open to hit.
What's near there, though? What's near there, though? Oh,
It's intercepted.
what's near there, though?
Picks it.